Hello, welcome back. This is vocabulary. Today I'm going to introduce the fifth part of vegetables. 蔬菜 蔬菜 5 number 5 number 5 5 The first vegetable is the eggplant. In China, there are different variety of eggplant. Most of them is a little bit long, not like in the European country or in the Western country. It's a little bit round and big. Of course, you can find similar thing too, but the majority of them is a little bit longer. In Chinese, we call it 茄子 qi ye qie, second tongue, z. This is light, doesn't have any tongue. 茄子 eggplant 七爷茄子 茄子 The next one is tomato. In China, tomato has different names in the southern and northern China. The scientific name, we call it 番茄 番番 七爷茄 番茄. Another common name throughout the country, everybody know what it is. It's called 西红柿 西和红柿 西红柿. As we learned in the previous vocabulary, 西 means west side. So actually tomato is from foreign country. 西红柿 红 means red. 西红柿. There's another name, it's called directly 柿子 柿子. Sometimes it's a little bit confusing because in some place we have another kind of fruit named as 柿子. So you need to be careful. It might be something else. It grow on the tree. This one in the middle is the most common one. 西红柿. Okay, next one is green pepper. We call it 青椒 青青 jiao jiao 青椒. I mentioned before, 青 sometimes means green, like the grass. We say 青草 grass 青. Alright, it has another name. In some area they call it 菜椒. 菜 we know means vegetable. 椒 means actually pepper, means the pepper used as a vegetable is not spicy. 吃爱菜 jiao jiao 菜椒. The next one is the spicy one. In Chinese we call 辣椒 辣 jiao jiao 辣椒 means spicy, hot. There is all different kind of chili. All can be called 辣椒 辣椒. Okay, this is this part for the vegetables. Here is the soup. It's made of egg and tomatoes. We call it 西红柿 means tomato. 鸡蛋 means egg. Soup 汤 西红柿鸡蛋汤 is a very common soup in the Chinese food. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye. 再见.